Number 42, the Cajun kicker, Colby Delahousse, 3-year starter, graduated in December of 2015 with a business degree. Number 13, defensive back, Wayne Thomas, 2-year starter in the secondary with 104 career tackles from New Orleans. Middle linebacker, Kendall Beckwith, one of the all-time great middle linebackers in LSU history, 3-year starter, 200. Wide receiver, Trayvon Durrell, 3-year starter with 100 career receptions for 1,700 yards and 13 touchdowns. Linebacker, Duke Riley, starter and second on team with 73 tackles, Senior Bowl Honduras. Cornerback, Tre'Davious White, one of the all-time great members of PBU, 4-year starter. Center, Ethan Posick, 3-year starter, 5-time SEC Offensive Lineman of the Week, 2016 Outcome Award semifinalist, all SEC, one of the dominant defensive linemen in LSU history.
You can feel the electricity.
Applebee's pass intended for 8.